When we create dates in JavaScript, we've got a couple of different ways that we can do this. So if we look at the sample we have here, the first thing we're doing is creating a variable called today, and we're simply setting it equal to new date. And what this does, it will create a date object that would act as a snapshot in time, if you will. And when it gets loaded in the browser, it creates the date object, and that would be the day and the time and the year that would be included in this. You can also specify dates for your date objects, and you can do that by either specifying them as a string or by passing the separate components of the date in as parameters to the date object constructor. So in our second line, we're creating a variable called anniversary, and we're setting it equal to new date. And so we're specifying February 21st, 1995, and then the time. In the third variable, birthday, again doing something similar, but we're specifying the year as the first parameter, the month as the second, and the day as the third parameter there. Okay, well that's all well and good. We can also retrieve or format those date objects in a variety of different ways too. So in this case here, we're taking our original date object and we're calling today.toString. So that'll give us back a string representation of that date information. Likewise, on anniversary, we can specify a couple of different ways that we want to view or format that info. So we've got anniversary.toGMT string, so Greenwich Mean Time, and also as .toUTC string. And this will format each accordingly. And then in the last line, we have birthday.toLocale date string. So this will format the string according to wherever the page is being viewed in different parts of the world. So in this case here, it'll give it back for how it be formatted in North America. Now we can also retrieve specific chunks of information from those date objects. So here we're calling today.getDay, but we could have easily retrieved another piece of information. So today dot get the date, get the day, get the full year, the hours, get the milliseconds. Let's try the milliseconds and see what results we get back for that.